This time on DevKit Weekly, we're going to take a look at the NV8600-Nano AI Developer Kit from AAEON. Hello developers, welcome to DevKit Weekly, the unboxing show from embedded computing design where we give you a first look at boards, SOMs, comms, and especially development kits from the biggest and best manufacturers in the embedded computing design industry. I am Ken Briota, Editor-in-Chief at Embedded Computing Design, and the NV8600-Nano AI Development Kit is a full package built and assembled for real-world deployment to come with an AAEON customized carrier board, power supply, NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano GPU, and in the package that AAEON sent us, an included MIPI camera, which is very cool. The NV8600 offers default storage via SSD and a ruggedized design to make it ready not just for testing and proofs of concept, but for real-world deployment. Take a look, we got it in the bag here. The NV8600 has several industrial-grade features and hardware enhancements, including a 256 gig NVMe SSD pre-installed via M.2 2280M key. It's also got Ubuntu 22.04 installed for OS, NVIDIA Jetpack 6.2 and network optics for AI software, and a full tutorial available on GitHub. You can see here that it's got all the inputs and outputs that you could need with UART, CAN bus, RS-232, 422, 485 ports, dual MIPI CSI connectors, and a 40-pin GPIO header that is Raspberry Pi compatible for expansions. It's ready for connectivity with an M.2 B key socket with SIM on board for 4G or 5G, and 6 3.2 Gen 2 Type A USB ports. There are 4 gigabit Ethernet ports with optional power over Ethernet support, and what's more, AAEON says that it's rated for operating temperatures from negative 25 degrees C up to 70 degrees Celsius and 12 to 24 volt input for industrial and mass production use. All of this together means the NV8600 from AAEON has all the performance that you'll need. A robust carrier board in this form here, plenty of storage, high impact camera, enhanced ports, industrial I/O, rugged specs, all so you can build the solution that you need in the field right now. It's even upgradable from the included NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano to NVIDIA Jetson Orin NX. Use the NV8600-Nano AI DevKit for Edge AI, robotics, machine vision AI, and tons of other applications, and you will be very happy. If you want to find out more about the NV8600-Nano AI DevKit, you can visit AAEON's Up Shop at the link in the description and buy one right now for $649. Quite a deal. And if you want to win one of your very own, AAEON has generously made one available for you to win. To enter the raffle to win one, just go to the link down in the description and fill out the form that you find there. We'll keep that form up for 30 days from broadcast of this video, and then you'll be notified by email if you win. Please like and share this video and make sure that you're subscribed to us on YouTube here so you never miss an episode of any of our shows, including DevKit Weekly. In case you missed it, Embedded Insights, our weekly news show, and Embedded Toolbox. To keep up with all the news in embedded, make sure you visit us at embeddedcomputing.com every day. There's a LinkedIn newsletter for that, and of course the YouTube program. Follow us on all our socials. The links for those are down in the description. And that's all for this edition of DevKit Weekly. I've been Ken Briota with Embedded Computing Design, and as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time, and have yourself a great week.